Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Vevor hitch mount bike rack for 2 bikes and 160 pounds capacity. This is how it comes to you, and it's a simple installation.
This bike rack will work on any standard hitch like the one you see right here on the back of my vehicle.
It took me about 35 minutes to put this thing together, and here I am sliding it into the hitch for the first time.
Okay, the last thing is to install this plate right here. Super simple, just tighten it up.
At this point, you're pretty much done with the installation. Now it's time to fit your bikes onto the rack. Right now it's set up for travel. All you want to do is take the pin out, lay the rack down, and reinsert the pin. At this stage, I think it's best to drop the rack down so it makes it easy to fit your bikes. Today I'm going to adjust this Vevor bike rack to fit my electric fat tire bike.
I'm going to pull my e-bike up, and I'm going to use these knobs to adjust the tire placement, and that's literally all you have to do.
There's nothing fancy or complicated about adjusting the tire racks. Just pull your bike up, eyeball it, and adjust it accordingly. Remove the frame hooks before you put your bike on the rack.
I'm going to show you a trick how anybody can load a heavy bike way easier. And the trick is put the front tire on first, okay? You're only going to lift half the weight. So I'm going to pick it up, drop it in that front one. I only lifted half the weight, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the back, and I'm going to set that into the tire rack. And I have just put a heavy e-bike on this bike rack, and I've only lifted half the weight at any point in time.
Lift that middle bar and reinsert the pin. Now use the frame hook and secure your bike to the rack.
Okay, let's give you a little look. And remember, this works for fat tire bikes or regular bikes. These larger tire brackets allow for your fat tire to work in there easily. They also provide you straps so you can further strap and keep your bike safe on that rack.
One of the super cool features on this Vevor bike rack is the ability to remove a pin, lean your bike back on the rack, get access to the back of your vehicle, and then just reinsert the pin. That was good thinking on Vevor's part. I really like this Vevor bike rack. Holds 2 bikes, 160 pound max capacity. This is an affordable bike rack, and it's customizable. I think you'll like it too. So if you're looking at this bike rack, I hope you found my video helpful.